How to make a Bank of America account. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can make a Bank of America account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To create a new bank account or open a bank account on Bank of America, open up the Bank of America application. It is also easy from the app. Then once you accept it, just tap on the Get Started option here. Then all you have to do is just tap on No Bank of America products yet. Once you select that option, you will see this, so tap on Continue. Now all you have to do is enter your first name, your last name, your suffix if you have your suffix as well. Then all you have to do is just make sure to go ahead and enter the birth month, the date and the year. Make sure these are according to your legal documents because you might have issues later. Once you've done that, all you have to do is enter your home address, your apartment suite over there. Then after that you can simply go ahead and enter your state and whatever else it is that you're looking for. So let me go ahead and then basically enter my address over here as well. Then once you've entered your address over here, you'll be able to see this. So from there again, just tap on the Continue button. Then here you can see suggested address or address entered, so you can select that, tap on Apply option. Now enter your SSN or ITIN, which is your tax identification number, or you can enter and re-enter it again for confirmation and tap on Continue. Then it will ask you for a couple of other steps to upload your documents and so on. Finish those steps and then it might take some time for your account to be verified, so this depends upon their process, not upon us, and you will most likely get a message that your account have been activated and live. So this way you can make a Bank of America account. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.